The Dark Knight's highest honor. Biggest opening weekend ever. In our number 2 story on the countdown, keeping tabs, that latest Batman tale kicking bat butt. Ticket sales for The Dark Knight grossing $158 million from Friday through Sunday, according to final estimates from its distributor. That beats the previous record holder, Spider-Man 3. The Batman sequel also broke 7 other box office records, including Best Midnight Gross, Best IMAX Opening, and biggest single-day gross in box office history, with $67 million on Friday alone. Against all that, the other major weekend release wasn't too shabby. Mamma Mia, singing its way to an ABBA-loving $27 million. Did you know that John McCain loves ABBA? I think of him whenever I hear Dancing Queen. Not Waterloo, but You Can Dance. Fernando, Does Your Mother Know? It all makes me think of John McCain. And another happy business outcome for actor Vern Troyer, and for all of civilization, frankly. Troyer's sex tape will remain under wraps. Thank you. The actor has reportedly dropped his $20 million lawsuit against celebrity sex tape broker Kevin Blatt and Sugar DVD. Under the terms of the settlement filed in federal court, Mr. Blatt and the distributor are barred from selling the video without permission from Mr. Troyer and his ex-girlfriend. Troyer's lawyer, Edwin McPherson, says, "We got what we wanted, a permanent injunction." Troyer also dropped his lawsuit against the website TMZ.com, which had posted clips of the video. So in short, sorry, mighty mini-me maneuvering has muffled a mortifying mucky mess.